volatility has continued to build across the range of markets, and much of the recent gains in stock markets have evaporated as concerns grow over Chinese debt and as the UK referendum draws closer. The market had been factoring in a comfortable win to the UK remaining in the European Union, having joined the EEC in 1973. So now the Brexit option is closing the gap, there is growing nervousness about the possible consequences of the UK leaving. These consequences may be overstated, but markets hate uncertainty, so the US stock volatility index has jumped sharply higher. And when looking at our stock market, we are suddenly a long way from the 5,500 level that was almost in reach a fortnight ago. The main local focus, however, was the jobs data, with an 18,000 increase in net jobs, enough to keep the unemployment rate unchanged at 5.7%. Looking at the details, all the growth was part-time jobs, with full-time jobs flat in May. But somehow the average hours worked increased. A statistical anomaly, it seems. Also on the positive side, the latest monthly NAB Business Survey again showed sentiment is holding up well during this long election campaign, no doubt helped by the recent RBA rate cut. Although, while business conditions rose, as is evident in this chart, business confidence fell from +5 to +3, at least still in positive territory. Presumably, if the nation avoids a hung parliament, this may recover after July the 2nd. And finally, currency markets have had their share of volatility last week, especially after the US Federal Reserve kept rates on hold on Thursday and voiced concerns about the state of the US economy. But it has been the cryptocurrency Bitcoin that has been the star performer over the last few weeks, rallying from below US 500 to over $700 per Bitcoin since May. Bitcoin production is reported to be halving in July, which may be one of the causes of this latest rally. But most of the recent talk about blockchain has suggested it is the underlying technology that is the key, rather than the digital currency it supports. Either way, technology disruptors are ever present. Until next week, that's the market update from Bendigo Bank.